I'm Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties, and I'm at the Everett train station. Did you know a train leaves this station twice every weekday morning, headed into King Street Station in downtown Seattle? The ride lasts an hour, but the train gets up to 79 miles an hour. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been in that morning commute plenty of times going into Seattle, and I've never gone 79 miles an hour. The best part is this train station is only 8 minutes from our newest listing. Come on, I'll take a look. Welcome to this almost 4,000 square foot home with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a mother-in-law with a separate entrance, and a view over the Snohomish Valley, onto Everett, the Olympic Mountains, and amazing sunsets. So if you're looking for a home with a view and a creek, or just a home in Snohomish County, give us a call.